Hello friends. In this video, we will be diagnosing the Samsung Galaxy A21s for not showing display. Customer said it has been dropped and since showing nothing on the screen, but I can see LCD screen is still fine, can't see broken or crack signs. So we open and replug all the connections to test the LCD if it is broken inside. So follow me step by step to finish with perfection. Kindly apply a gentle amount of heat to the back panel to soften the adhesive underneath. Please ensure the heat applied is only to a temperature that allows you to comfortably touch the panel. Afterwards, apply a small amount of methyl alcohol and carefully use a sharp blade, as demonstrated in the video, to gently lift the edge. Please begin by carefully removing all screws from the top section and disconnecting the battery connector from the motherboard. Kindly repeat this process for the bottom components using a Phillips screwdriver. Don't forget to eject the SIM tray out. Now time to separate back assembly from the frame with Help Sharp tool as showing inside the video. Next, gently unplug all flex cables from the motherboard and of course from the charging board as well. With great care, remove all the flexes which are connected to motherboard and charging board. With the Help Clean brush, try clean these connectors from flexes and from motherboard as well. You can use methyl alcohol with gentle heat to clean these properly. Now, reconnect these connections and attach battery for testing. As we can see, in our case it is working fine, showing charging sign. However, in some cases it is not the solution. So then you can try attach new battery or LCD screen, depends upon fault. Attach back for frame to assembly and secure it with given screws. Insert the SIM tray. Remove old adhesive from the edge to place back cover perfectly. apply a small amount of glue for the back cover. And place it with alignment to complete the process. But make sure attach Touch ID flex to motherboard before placing the back cover. We would be grateful if you could like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos of this nature. Your questions and feedback are always welcome in the comments section, as they provide us with encouragement to create more content.